Are you overwhelmed by managing multiple apps and tools? You're not alone. Many practitioners struggle with disjointed systems that hinder productivity. Now, imagine a world where your favorite tools connect effortlessly. Introducing Practice Better, a platform redefining how you manage your practice. With Practice Better, you can seamlessly integrate with that clean life, enabling nutrition planning without leaving the portal. Sync Apple Health and Fitbit for comprehensive client insights. Streamline your claims process with Claim.MD, enhancing efficiency like never before. What sets Practice Better apart? Its unmatched versatility, allowing connections with Google Calendar, Dropbox, Zoom, and more. Transform your workflow today. Experience the simplicity and power of an all-in-one solution. Join the community of providers who love the Practice Better experience. Don't wait, start your journey to better practice management now.